Hold on, you gotta say it.
YK Slim.
Yes, y'all.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two fam told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.
What up, everybody? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. Today, man, y'all see I finally with my merch, man. First time wearing my merch, man. If you haven't seen my merch, man, you haven't took a look at it, link will be in the description, man, so y'all can check out my merch. I also have the Whitlow Family Empire merch, also the IRCO, man. Go check that out, man. Make sure y'all get some of that merch, man. Support us, man. Thank everybody who are supporting us right now. But yeah, man, I'm about to go meet some of the guys. About to just chill with the guys, man. Do a little joy riding, probably. I don't know. Just meet up with them for right now, man. I'm gonna show y'all their cars, man. Just some of the guys. So, yeah, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm a cool dude. Can't lie, man. Why this thing sound so good in front of me? I gotta let y'all hear. Boy, Noah got this thing sounding so good, man. I know the camera ain't gonna do it no justice, man. Y'all gotta hear the thing. It sound good though. I'ma show it, y'all. I'ma show it, y'all. I hope he get down on it pretty soon. Let y'all hear it. Man, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Yeah, somebody call you. Yeah, man. I couldn't record a while ago, man. Y'all boy driving too fast for me. Y'all see that, man. Y'all see that King Ye on here. Y'all see that King Ye on that thing, man. Quit playing with my boy. My boy get that 10 on there, throw them centerpieces on there. I'm telling you. Telling you now. Yeah, man. Gang out here. I think everybody know Chuck, man. That man go live more than everybody I know. Hey, I think everybody know Chuck. Man. My boy done shot the car down in my face. Blow smoke everywhere. Go ahead. This sound good. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's all. Ain't gonna sit it down? Shit, I'm gonna make it. I'm about to sound good, though. Sound good, what we here? He ain't gonna sit it down. Man, I'm telling you. Hey. Whoa. Whoa, hold up. What are you doing? Man, come on, man. Stop playing with my boy, man. Stop playing with my boy. Oh, man.
Oh, that big boy.
Oh, they changed by themselves?
Yeah, I can do it on my phone.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. I love these headlights. Oh.
See, Malik gonna have this scat pack in the
Oh, Malik. About what? Shit, I'm with it. I'm with all that.
You got that red RT.
I'm with all that. Ain't no snot in my channel. Open that door up. That's what I'm talking about. Open that door. Ain't no snot, man. They going on the channel. What you mean? Tell me, I said, I ain't do it.
You didn't get me on Snap.
Hold on, you gotta say it.
YK Slim.
Yes, sir. Get in this video. I ain't gonna lie to you, cuz. Cuz. I ain't gonna lie to you, my boy. Boy.
Man, those are the bit hard, like.
So fast, she go in the head, she going top speed. Put a leg behind her head when I'm on the
Cuz, I ain't gonna lie to you, boy.
And she give me head like she wanna
Nobody seeing you right now. Put the tag on her, but ain't nobody.
Say, no, hell, like, he throw shit that shit on the tape.
I ain't personalized tag. Ain't nobody stunning up, man. I ain't gonna lie, cuz. Man, I keep my tag on my channel. I need folk. Cuz. Ain't lying to you, boy. So, I gotta get this thing in the daytime, but it's tough. So, no. Well, you tell me the caliber was pink, too. Ooh. Yeah, cuz. Man, boy, you got a hard thing in the city right now, man. I'm lying to you, cuz. Hard thing in the city, man. Don't care what nobody say.
She moves so fast when she go in the head, she going top speed. Put a leg behind her head when I'm on that bed, I leave her not need. And she give me head like she wanna beg, I know that she need me. I open the lens, I know she gon' spread like she got the best knees. Know that I'm pushing a button, they locking it stuck, I need no keys. I know that little shot on my tight, I need on my strike, like referees. I know that little shot on my tight, she do it like she low key. Shot be dripping like ice, she poppin' like Sprite, she drippy. And she gon' beat on the head, yeah, top, no. And you know I beat it, then she get beat, Came from the lower level, now I'm top now. And then she say she wanna spend time with me, then she gon' need a stopwatch. Ain't got no time, no, I be on go. Go to 4-5 like a quarter to 4. Some nigga that 5, some nigga that slime, they pull up, they sick, they wipe on your nose. Some nigga that G, some nigga that crook, but no, they ain't cripple, won't slow, they gon' roll. They gon' pay for no head, but got top pay. So she got only fans, I could buy a stadium. I'm breaking them off, you know I embrace them. I'm all in them off, I'm just embrace. My kids on the tongue, she tasting my daycare. We got cheat codes, she know we don't play for. And if they ain't with me right now, they can stay there. My brother on back in the truck, he gon' stay there. Wherever they play with me, yeah, they gon' lay there. Every time that we pull up and she I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down.